Heli though.
It's coming in from the south side.
Oh, why was
So look,
It's gonna come over to the north side. Hold on.
There's a guy right there, yep.
Oh my god, he just crashed, he just crashed!
Wait,
Right behind you, to your south! Other way.
Yep.
Pushing up to try to get him.
How close to the base?
Outside
Close.
the wall, man.
Right there, somewhere.
West of there. There's very people in.
Watch the front door!
I think I got him. Did I shoot him? I shot him out.
There's multiple guys coming up.
Hold the front door. Yeah, they're coming out.
There's one of the rocks above you guys. Southwest, it's on top of the rock. Deep towards the castle on the rock.
Heli's down, heli's down.
They're coming out. There's two.
By you,
D, right by you.
I killed one.
To your left, D. D. Right next to you, D.
straight ahead in front of you, north.
Right next to you.
Got
Holy
one.
shit, did I hit him? There's another one almost on the same guy you killed.
Got him.
Yeah,
I'm just running around the rock. Is there one more?